Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and keeping yourself healthy. So, dear students, as you know that we are in chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is subtraction. Okay, and in the previous class we all have learned how to subtract a number without borrowing. Okay, and today we will be learning how to subtract a number with borrowing. Okay, borrowing का number क्या? Borrowing का मतलब क्या? What is the meaning of borrowing? Borrowing means उधार लेना. Okay, so and in your junior classes, that means in your class 3 or 2, you all have learned how to subtract, okay, 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers with borrowing. So the way you have done the subtraction of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers, the same rule you will be using in subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing and subtraction of 5-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay, first let's just recall the regrouping method. Okay, as you know that 110 is equal to 10 ones, 100 is equal to 10 tens. Okay, and 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds, and 110,000 is equal to 10,000. Okay, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना. This thing you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, so for the subtraction I have taken one question. Okay, the question which I have taken is 3,000 1500s from 12,000. So this, as you can see, this question is in words. Okay, if the question is given in words, how are you going to solve it? Okay, so out of 3,000 and 12,000, you know that 12,000 is a greater number. Okay, so 12,000 लिखोगे आप. You will write 12,000 first. And this 12,000 you can also write it as 12 is in the thousand place. You can also write it as like this, 12 into 1000. That will be 12,000. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Am I right? You can write it like this also. Next is 3,000. 3,000s, 1,500s. Okay, so that means 3 into 1,000. 1000. Okay, plus 15 into 100. 100. So 3,000 plus 1,500 will give you 4,500. Okay, now what you need to do is you will be subtracting 12,000 with 4,500. Okay, you have to subtract both of them. For subtracting both of them, always remember that you have to arrange them according to their place value. किसी भी number को when we try to subtract, हमें arrange properly करना है. We have to arrange them properly. Whenever you try to arrange them in a column way, column में जब आप arrange करने जाते हो, that time you have to arrange them according to their place value. उनके place value को according से आपको arrange करना है. अगर आपका arrangement correct है तो आपका answer भी definitely क्या होगा, correct ही आएगा. You get the correct answer. Okay, so write the place value. 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Okay, 10,000. 10,000. Next is 1,000. 100, tens, ones. Okay, so write them according to the place value. 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. 12,000. Next is 4, 5 zeros. Okay, next will be 4, 5. So 4 is in place of 1,000. Sorry. Okay, it will be 4, 5, 0, 0. Okay, so arrange them properly. Now you subtract. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0, again it will be 0. Okay, now this 0 cannot subtract 5 because 0 is smaller than 5. Smaller number cannot subtract the bigger number, right? Okay, so छोटा number तो बड़े number को minus नहीं कर सकता, subtract नहीं कर सकता. What you have to do is आपको यहाँ से उधार लेना पड़ेगा. You have to borrow 1 from here. So 2 will give 1, it will change into 1. 2 ने 1 दे दिया. Okay, किसको दिया? यहाँ पे दिया. Okay. So you are borrowing 1 from 1,000. 1,000 आ रहा है. 1,000 you're bringing 1,000. So 1,000 is equals to 10 hundreds. When it is coming in the 100 place, so it will be 10 hundreds. So 10. 10 minus 5 will be 5. Okay. Now this one can also not subtract 4. 1 cannot subtract 4, 1 is a smaller number, so 1 तो 4 को subtract नहीं कर सकता. Okay, again आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to borrow 1 from this 10,000. Okay, 10,000 से 1 borrow करोगे, you will take 1 from 10,000 place. ठीक है, आप उधार ले रहे हो, so this 1 will change into 0. और यहाँ पे आपने 1 ले लिया, you have taken 1 from here. So now that is you are bringing 1 from 10,000 and 1 10,000 is equal to 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So 10 plus 1 will be 11. 11 में से 4 रह जाएगा. If you will subtract out of 11, if you will subtract 4, okay, आपके पास कितना बचेगा? You will be left with 7. Okay, you got the answer as 7,500. आपके पास कितना आंसर आया? 7,500. Okay, 7,500 can also be written as like this in words. अगर आप if you will be asked to write it in words, you will write 7,000. Okay, 500. That's it. This is how you're supposed to solve this question. Okay, now let's take another example. Okay, now we will be learning subtracting by arranging them in a column. Okay, कैसे हम subtract करेंगे? By arranging them in a column. Okay, how are we supposed to subtract? Same subtraction method ही कर रहे हैं हम. ठीक है, so let's take one example. Okay, मैं example देती हूँ, that is 8, 3, 5, 6. Okay, subtract it with 2, 4, 3, 9. आपको क्या करना है? Subtraction. Okay, here also you have to do the subtraction. While subtracting, always remember we have to place them according to their place value. ठीक है, उनका place value लिख लो 1000. Okay, 100, tens, ones. So write bigger number first. Bigger number is this one. Greater number को पहले लिख लो 8, 3, 5, 6. Subtraction का sign बना लो. Then you write the smaller number 2, 4, 3, 9. Properly arrange करना. Okay, according to their place value, the numbers, the digit which is in ones place should be in ones place. Okay, and the one which is in tens place should be in tens place. The one which is in 100 place should be in 100 place, and the one which is in 1000 place, that should be in 1000 place. Okay, this is one way of subtracting. Arrange them like this and subtract. Okay, other way which I'll teach you is, और दूसरा तरीका भी है जिससे आप अरेंज कर सकते हो. पहले आप इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू लिख लो. ठीक है, 1000. Next is 100, tens, ones. ऐसे करके you write the place value. Okay, and write the numbers now. 8,356. ठीक है, so in 1000 place there is 8. So draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and in tens place there is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in ones place there is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you write like this. And below, in 1000 place there is 2. 1, 2. Okay, in 100 place there is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and in ones place 1, 2, 3. And then in in tens place it is 3, and in ones place it is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now you have to subtract. Okay, so this is another way of subtracting. You can use any of these two methods, but you are going to get the same answer. Answer आपका same आएगा. ठीक है. Now if you will start subtracting with this method, 6. If you will subtract 6 with if you will try to subtract 9 with 6, है ना? So 6 cannot subtract 9 because 6 is smaller. 9 को 6 subtract नहीं कर सकता, तो क्या करेगा? 6 will borrow 1. 6 will borrow 1 from here. 5 will give 1. 5 will give 1. 5 will change into 4. एक देने के बाद कितना हो गया ये? 4. 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So 5 has given 1. It has taken 1. यहाँ से इसने एक 1 ले लिया. Okay, so we are borrowing 1 from tens place. Okay, so 1 10 is equals to 10 ones. So you will get 10. Here after bringing 1 from tens place, tens place से हम tens place से जब हम 1 लाते हैं तो 1 is equals to 10 ones हो जाता है. 1 10 is equals to 10 ones हो जाता है. Okay, so 10 plus 6 it will be 16. 16 में से 9 गया. If you will subtract 16 में से 9. Okay, subtract 9. Use your fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. कितना बचा? 5, 6, 7. आपके पास है 7. Okay. Now 4 minus 3. 4 में से 3 है. 3 plus 3 then 4. So you will be left with 1. Okay. Now this 3 cannot subtract 4 because it is small. It will borrow 1. यहाँ से उधार लेगा. Okay. It will give 1, so it will change into 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. No, 8 has given 1, so it will be 7. Now this will be 13. Isn't it? Because 1000 is equals to 10 hundredths. Okay, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 में से 4 you have to cancel. Okay, 13 minus 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. कितना बचा आपके पास? 5 plus 4 कितना हो गया? 9. So 9. Okay, 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so you got the answer as 5917. Okay, same technique you can use for this one also. As you know that 6 cannot subtract 9. Okay, so you will borrow 1 from here. You will borrow 1. So 1 दे देगा यहाँ पे. Okay, you will borrow 1 from here. Okay, so this number is giving 1. So 4 has given 1. So now 4 has changed into. Sorry, 5 has given 1 and 5 has now changed into 4. 5 कितना बन गया? 4. And it has given 1 and 1 10 is equals to 10 ones, right? So you will be getting 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now 10 में से you have to subtract 9. Subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, cancel. So you will be left with how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is 4 and this is 3. Cancel 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, subtract. You will be left with how much? 1. एक ही बचा, ठीक है? Now 3 cannot subtract 4. So 3 will borrow 1 from here. है ना? Give 1, remove 1. So you will borrow 1 from here. उधार ले लो. So and if you are borrowing 1000, that means you are getting 10 hundredths. 1000 is equals to 10 hundredths. ठीक है? 10 more lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more lines. 4. Here is 4. Cancel 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. कितना बचा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will be left with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 में से 2 गया. So remove 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. कितना बचा आपके पास? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will be left with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is also 5, 9, 1, 7. Both the answers are same, but the way of doing is different. Okay, and both the way is the method of borrowing. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to subtract the 4-digit number or 5-digit number. For both of them you will be using the same way. Okay, thank you so much dear students. Thank you for attending today's class.